Hi, today I'd like to show you this interesting sort of Celtic version of Joy to the World. I'm tuned to G, G on the low, D in the middle, G on the high. Just using a regular Cigar Box guitar with a piezo pickup. This one has frets though. You could do this with a slide, but you'd have to tip the slide all the time. So I thought it was easier to show it on a fretted instrument. So I'll play the melody for you, and then I'll show you how you can accompany yourself. The melody starts on the middle string on the 5th fret, and it just descends 5, 4, 2, 0. And then it does a similar on the next, same frets on the low string. So that's it. Now it starts to climb back up on the middle string, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5. And then the next part of the melody is descending again, so it's 2 on the 5, 4, 2, 0, and then 5, 4 on the low string. 2 again on the 5 on the middle, 4 is 2, 2 open, 5, 4 on the low. Play that slow. Need to remember there is 2 hits on the 5, 2 hits on the open. Then it starts to climb again, starting from the 4, which is where you stopped, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So that and was a 5, and the next one was an open string, middle open string. Then 5, 4 does a similar feel on the 2nd fret, 2. Starting on the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. The and being the 4th fret, and the 1 being the 5th fret. And then it's 4, 2, 0 to the 5 on the middle. And now we skip the 4th fret, we go right to the 2nd fret. That was 2, 0. Then 5, 4. Then 5 again. 4, 2, 0. I'll play that melody real slow for you. So that's it for the melody. Now for the accompaniment, which is the cool part. You can play all 3 strings. But I find that sounds a little too big, a little messy, and the melody gets lost. So what I usually do is just pick 2 strings, the 2 adjacent strings. So we're starting on the 5th fret of the middle string. So I'll do that in the high string. And then when we switch to the low string, I'll add the middle string, but not the high string. And it's the kind of thing, if you let it every once in a while get a little, I don't know if sloppy's the right word, but you can let the high string come in there, but you just don't want it to be really strong. So, especially at the end there. Or any combination of that will work. And then when I climb back up for the first climb, I use the low string in the middle. That's just a preference. You could use the high string. I kind of like the lower string. Then the quicker part, once again, the lower string or the higher string. So once again, I'm going like I did in the beginning. I'm using the middle and the high. And then when I get to the low string, and I'm using the low in the middle. and then climbing from the 4. And because it's sort of a Celtic thing, I keep the rhythm going. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but even at the beginning. I'll throw it in there. Going back to where the 4 was. So I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.